Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Nissan Sentra. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, about 4 3/8 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil, and a drain pan. Also have a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a funnel, and a jack with stands ready. Make sure your Sentra is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm for the best oil drainage. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely lift the front of your Sentra using a jack and secure it with jack stands for safety. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. It's usually a 14mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug. Carefully remove the plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow out completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for a new filter and fresh oil. Remove the old oil filter with your wrench, making sure its gasket comes off. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the new filter's gasket, then hand tighten it until snug. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 25 foot-pounds. Lower your vehicle. Finally, add 4 3/8 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil through the oil fill cap. For our final steps, let's perform some crucial checks. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the fresh oil. Turn it off, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick, adding a small amount if necessary. Carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to properly dispose of your old engine oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.